Hello, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today I'm proud to show you a listing at 3209 Gazelle Drive. This is an enormous two-story built home, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, with garage access up to 5 cars. It's one of the largest lots in Vanderveen. Accessing their amenities. There's so much to be seen, so please step inside. Living room, our eat-in area, new flooring, access to this covered porch, stunning view of the backyard. Our roomy kitchen, all appliances included, custom tile backsplash, pantry, our utility room, half bath, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, our 4th bedroom, upper level full bathroom, and now our master bedroom. Custom built-ins, enormous and roomy, large walk-in closet, and this master bathroom. Fully tiled family room steps out to our lower patio. Our 3rd full bathroom, bedroom 5. 3209 Gazelle Drive sits on a cul-de-sac street. So much garage potential, extra storage, a fully covered back deck, and a second deck. And let's take one more look at this fantastic, almost 300-foot deep, fully fenced backyard.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. That's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.